Ever wondered why a herb garden is a must-have in every household? It's not just about the fresh, aromatic produce right at your fingertips. Herb gardens also save you money and enhance the aesthetic appeal of your homes. Growing your own herb garden can be a rewarding and enriching experience. So, how do you start a herb garden from scratch? Well, it's simpler than you might think. First things first, you need to find the right location. Herbs love the sun, so make sure to pick a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Next, it's time to select your herbs. Think about what you like to cook or what fragrances you enjoy. Basil, rosemary, and mint are all great choices for beginners. Once you've made your selections, it's time to prepare the soil. Herbs prefer well-draining soil, so adding some compost or organic matter can really help. Now, we're ready to plant. Dig a hole that's deep enough for the roots, nestle your plant in, and then cover it back up with soil. Water it well, but be careful not to overwater. Finally, maintenance is key. Regular watering, pruning, and feeding will keep your herb garden thriving. With a bit of patience and care, you'll soon have a flourishing herb garden. Imagine the satisfaction of picking fresh herbs straight from your garden. It's a joy like no other, cultivating your own little green haven. The process is therapeutic, the results rewarding. Gardening is not just a hobby, it's a way of life. Ready to start your gardening journey? You're not alone. We're here to help you every step of the way. From picking the right seeds to knowing when to harvest, our community is ready to share their wisdom. Imagine the satisfaction of cooking with herbs you've grown yourself. It's an experience like no other. Join us and let's grow together. Remember, every gardening journey starts with a single seed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.